Since last week's announcement of a September 16th general election, the public has questioned why now, and that's given the obvious. COVID-19 continues to ravage the Bahamas, and experts say the public healthcare system is literally at breaking point. Cleopatra Murphy leads us off tonight with a number of cabinet ministers defending the move to call a snap election.
Minister of National Security, the Honourable Marvin Dames, is confident the Bahamas can hold safe elections despite positive COVID-19 cases in the country soaring. For August alone, the Bahamas recorded more than 2,000 new COVID-19 infections, with 159 recorded on Sunday's health dashboard. Despite some questioning if it would be best to hold off until elections are due next year, Dames doesn't believe so.
There are persons out there who will come and say these things, but they can't offer you any sensible alternative. And I say, well, oh, this is not a good time. All right, if it's not a good time, when is a good time?
He says the globe may have to deal with the virus for a few more years, adding that the Prime Minister was within his right to set the election date when he did.
And now we have to prepare and get ready for the elections. Who knows what next year will bring? It might be worse than this time. No one expected that the Delta variant would have, been so pervasive.
Deputy Prime Minister, the Honourable Desmond Bannister, says government has imposed restrictions for this political season, but it is also crucial that elections be held in the shortest period of time.
There are variants all over the world right now. All over the world. At least 5 other variants out there. It's important for us to do what we have to do to protect the Bahamian people. So we have to be careful. All of us have to ensure that we are safe. But it's important for us to be able to have this mandate at this time.
Minister of Tourism and Aviation, the Honourable Dionisio de Aguilar, says the timing of elections will not make a big difference once protocols are adhered to.
If persons decide to campaign and be unvaccinated and to use large crowds, then they're being irresponsible. But I know certainly in my team I'm exercising the protocols as suggested by the Health Department, and I feel that we can conduct it safely. And I certainly am using those strategies in my campaign.
Bahamians will head to the polls on September 16th to decide the course of the country for the next 5 years. Health officials are looking at protocols that will include sanitization of pencils and other tools that will be needed at polling stations to limit the spread of COVID-19. Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.